Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PUBG account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've decided to delete your PUBG mobile account, then remember that the delete account option is available only on your iOS device. Open your PUBG mobile game and from the main home page or the lobby page, tap on the little arrow at the bottom right hand corner. Tap settings from the expanded menu and you'll be able to see an option to delete account at the bottom. Give it a click. In order to get to this pop-up, tap on delete account and your account will be deleted in 7 days. All the data and purchases will be deleted forever once you delete your account. Tap on the exit game option to continue deleting your account, but if you want to cancel your deletion, tap on the back button. Here, since I'm deleting my account, I'm gonna tap on exit game. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your PUBG mobile game from your mobile device. That is how you'll be able to delete your PUBG account using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.